Stages to make the face look vibrant and awake. Use tea in excess of only a drink. The cold and caffeine in tea brings lower any redness, and you will find great plant compounds in tea that naturally remove eye puffiness too. Eco-friendly, black, and chamomile teas are perfect for their anti-inflammatory qualities. Anyone feel? Brew the tea by steaming water and putting the tea bags directly into steep. Following a couple of minutes, drain water and pop them within the fridge. After they have chilled, put them in your eyelids for 20 minutes. Exercise every day. When you initially awaken, get the heart pumping having a half-hour workout. Certain yoga positions that need you to hang upside lower, such as the downward dog, assistance to turn back bloodstream flow which diminishes dark circles that develop underneath the eyes. It may also help circulation through the entire body, adding a proper color towards the face. Exercise boosts energy which supports you appear and feel more awake. Consume a grapefruit, orange, or lemon each morning. Foods comprised of white flour or sugar will drag you lower, making the skin appear dull. Citrus fruits, however, will collect you since they're full of vitamin C and may increase energy and performance. Should you not wish to eat these citrusy fruits, to acquire a similar by using lemon-scented body wash,